Welcome to noryX. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the product description feature, starting with the basics, and then moving into the advanced guardrail functionality that makes your store AI commerce ready. noryX automatically generates product descriptions using its intelligence layer. This layer understands your SKUs and brand context, so each description is uniquely tailored. For every SKU, you'll see both the current description and the suggested description. Edit directly in the editor to refine tone or add details. Preview before publishing. If you're not satisfied, you can ignore the suggestion, refresh to regenerate, or apply it directly to your Shopify store. Quickly find products with the search bar. If the generated descriptions fit your brand, you can enable auto-apply to roll them out across SKUs instantly. Beyond the basics, noryX introduces Guardrails. Guardrails ensure your descriptions always follow a structure that's persuasive for buyers and optimized for AI search engines. There are two guardrail types. 1. Descriptive guardrail. This option gives you full control, while noryX enforces a proven 6-part structure. Product title. Brief summary. Conversational description. Benefits and value. Features and specifications. FAQ page. You can prompt for extras like brand taglines or local SEO keywords without breaking AI search compatibility. 2. Template-based guardrail. This option lets you choose from predefined structures designed for different business needs. E-commerce general. Technical B2B. Brand storytelling. These templates are ready to apply at scale but can still be lightly customized. Every guardrail-generated description is automatically linked with Shopify's JSON-LD schema. In simple terms, JSON-LD is like a cheat sheet for search engines and AI agents. It clearly labels your product name, description, benefits, features, and FAQ page. So platforms like Google AI Overviews, ChatGPT, and Perplexity can parse and surface your products directly in answers. This makes your catalog future-proof for agentic AI commerce. With noryX, you can generate, edit, preview, and apply optimized product descriptions at scale. Enriched by GA4 and GSC insights, structured with guardrails, and automatically JSON-LD ready. noryX, driving growth with AI-powered automation for lean D2C teams.